Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the video. Thank you for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That way you know every time I upload a video. Today we're going to do a triple unboxing here. First time I've ever done this. Today's video is made possible by Richard over at Saltzmans Watches. He was kind enough to send in a few watches for me to go over on the channel, and so yeah, we're gonna do a quick unboxing today, right now, and then later in the week I'll put up individual reviewed videos of each watch. So let's jump in here and see what the first one we have is. Looks like a Victorinox. Oh wow! I didn't know what exactly was in the boxes, so yeah, this is cool looking. This is a Victorinox on a rubber strap, a very sporty looking piece here. Oh yeah, nice, pliable. I'm not sure if this is a silicone or a rubber, but it's good quality just by the initial feel. So yeah, very cool looking Victorinox. Yeah, so we'll take a closer look at that later in the week. I have to make some room here with 3 boxes. Move that aside, and the next one is a Citizen. And right away, I will have to say this is not a usual Citizen box. Typically, they have that cylinder case or a Promaster. What is that, like the oxygen tank promo box that it comes in? Oh, okay, this is cool right here. Looks like we have a Citizen Promaster diver. Blue. Is that blue dial? Yeah, blue bezel, blue dial. Very nice. Yeah, that's right up my alley here. This is the, not familiar with this, is there's the reference number. Like I said, I'll do a full in-depth video on all 3 of these later in the week. This is just a first impression unboxing. So far, both the Victorinox and the Citizen is very cool looking. So yeah, there we go. And like I said, never seen a Citizen box like this. Well, let's leave them out like that. And last but not least, oh wow, we have a Raymond Weil. First time I've had a Raymond Weil on the channel. So this is going to be cool. Okay, I'm not familiar with how this box is built here, so take out the wrapping here. Oh, here we go. We got a box in a box. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. I believe this is a Raymond Weil Maestro. If you can't tell, I believe these hands are a blue. Not sure if it's picking it up in the light here, but I think the hands are blue. Roman numeral set. Very nice leather strap. deployment clasp. Very nice. I'm excited to see this. Oh man, yeah, these are blued hands. I'll take for the full review video, I'll have some natural light, take some pictures out in the sunlight. But yeah, this is a very, very nice looking watch here. So yeah, there you go. Triple unboxing here. Victorinox, Raymond Weil, and Citizen. There we go. So yeah, there you go. That's the unboxing. Thank you for tuning in, and tune in later this week for a full review on all three of these. Thank you.